Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important money from company like the Bright, Rocket, Rupik and Honeywell and other important hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. Talking about the first important opportunity that is from the right, they are hiring for the role of SD intern position and freshers are legal for this profile. So this will be your roles and responsibility like developing and maintaining the responsive UI components and other things are there. The requirement is you should be having at least one or two projects and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and REST API knowledge required. So if you are interested, you can basically apply for this. This is one of the great company. If you want, you can apply. Moving to next, that is for the role of technical support engineer, and the company name is Rocket. So for this, the job location is Chennai, and this is a full-time role, and this is the roles and responsibilities. So freshers are eager for this, and 2 year of experience in technical support or IT or related field. If you have, then you can apply, or you should having strong problem solving and analytical skill. So if you want, you can apply for this wonderful profile. Must check out the complete link in the description and you can directly apply from there. Moving to next, that is from the Rupik, they are hiring for the role of the intern positions. So this is also a wonderful profile. You will be getting 15,000 per month stipend, and this is also a wonderful organization. So who are legal, you should having excellent written and verbal communication skills. Either BE or BTech students are legal only, and technical troubleshooting and issue resolutions if you have. Just you need to fill out this form and you have to basically specify the year of graduation. Okay, so though they have mentioned 25, 26, 27, but I suggest especially 2026 and 2025 must apply. And 27, if you have also a level, then you can apply. Moving to that is from the Honeywell. They are hiring for the role of data scientist one, and this is the wonderful profile. So freshers are eligible for this. You should have knowledge of Python and have done some projects in this. Okay, so this is also a good opportunity, and the requirement is bachelor's degree or advanced degree in computer science, statistics, mathematics, or related discipline, and experience in working on data science project or delivering actionable things. So if you are interested, you can apply for that. Moving to next important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of QA trainee, and fresher graduates are level 2024, 2025, 26 pass out. All can apply. The knowledge of SDLC, STLC is required. And if you need notes of all this material, then you can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to this mail ID, and location NCR, Delhi NCR will be there. So if you are interested, you can apply. Moving to that is from the Cognizant. They are hiring for the role of SDT test engineer with Playwright. So if you are especially interested in testing role and have some experience in this, then you can apply for that. Okay, and the knowledge of CI/CD and other things are additional advantage. Moving to last important thing, that is from the JP Morgan Chase. They are hiring for the role of compliance and operational risk test specialist. So this is also wonderful profile. If you want, you can apply. This is the roles and responsibility you will be having. The main things, make sure to apply with the referral, then only a chance of getting reward. And these are the some important community. Hope video informative to you. For getting such important job dates, you can subscribe us. Lots of currently internship and hiring is going on. So if you haven't applied especially for the Ajanta, JDS and other, then you can apply for that. कोई भी query feel free to ask her. We are always here to help you. मिलते हैं next job dates में. Thank you.